Hi there, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make dancehall beats with just 5 steps. In this tutorial, you'll see the key techniques, tips and tricks I use to make pro-sounding modern dancehall beats. Now the techniques I'll be sharing with you is not for just FL Studio, you can actually use them in any software you use in making beats. The first thing I'll do when trying to make good quality dancehall beats is making sure my chord progressions are sounding good. Now, having good chord progressions is so important because every melody you play from here on and even what your artist will sing is heavily dependent on your chord progressions. And so to make it easy for me to get good chord progressions, I'll be using the chords from dancehall MIDI chord pack, which you can get from the link in the description below. You have access to over 40 different chord progressions and chord patterns that will make it a lot easier for you, okay? Now for the second step, we need to create a good drum pattern, all right? Now I like using high quality drum sounds, and that's why I have my own personalized drum packs, which I only share with my private students for now. In the future, I may share with you, but make sure your drum sounds are of good quality, okay? And also, many dancehall beats do use hi-hats in their drums, okay? So after programming my main drums on the channel rack, I'm also going to use a hi-hat loop, okay, from Splice. You can also program it on your own, but I'm going to use a loop just to make it, a bit faster. Now for the third step, I'm going to play in a melody, okay? This melody is going to serve as an ear candy, okay? Something that makes the beat sound interesting, okay? Now a lot of beats, not just dancehall beats, do have melodies that serve as ear candy, okay? Ear candies are effects or sound, or it can even be the way you play the sound that makes it sound, interesting, all right? So I'm going to play that in, and from then on, I'm going to head into the ambient melodies, okay? All right, so now we're done with ear candy, okay? And now we're going to head into the ambient melodies for the fourth step. All right, now these ambient melodies are sounds that add texture and feeling, okay, to your melodies, okay? And they also enhance the vibe of the melodies, all right? Now you could use soft parts, strings, and you could even use soft synths. Now ambient melodies can be played like regular melodies by clicking in single notes, or they can be played as chords following your chord progression. And you can even use a sample loop, okay? That's a melody loop as an ambient melody, okay? So I'll be using a soft synth and a melody sample in these beats. Yes, you can actually use multiple options. You don't have to stick to just one. Now for the fifth step, okay, we're going to need an 808 and a synth bass, okay? Now many dancehall songs do prefer to use synth bass and 808 for their bass tracks. Now we're going to listen to the full track and see how it sounds so far. And if you need more assistance, you need more help, I do offer private one-on-one coaching classes where I'll teach you personally how to make better music. Okay, all you have to do is fill out the form with the link in the description below that says private one-on-one lesson. Okay, fill it out correctly, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. Okay, and we can talk and we'll see how I can help you out make better music. Okay, so we're going to listen to it and see how it sounds.
Really loud. Really loud. Really loud.
All right, so if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button so other people can easily find this video, and also hit the subscribe button as well so you can keep up to date with more tips, tricks, and tutorials from me. All right, I remain so classy. See you soon. Cheers.